Welcome back, pure structure traders and YouTube, for another market analysis for the London session. Today is December 13, 2021 here in Hawaii, and will be December 14, 2021 in London. Today we'll be going over S&P 500, gold, and also oil for you guys, give you guys some of the levels that we're going to be looking at. So again, if you guys do like these videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you are not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Any questions you guys got, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We'd love to get back to you guys. Again, we do a morning market analysis for the US session, so please, again, go ahead and check that out. If you guys do end up trading the US session, very helpful if you're looking out for zones or levels that buyers and or sellers are going to step in. Other than that, there are some tutorial videos we have here up on YouTube as well if you're struggling. Now, if you want to learn how to find consistency and success in trading, make sure you guys join us here at Pure Structure Trading. We can definitely help you guys with that as well. But with that said, let's go ahead and jump into it. So S&P 500 found nice movement to the downside. If we zoom this out here, you can see we want to see structure hold above 47.05. Anything below that actually would pull us down deeper. You can see we came all the way down. Nice support coming in 46.5525. And this is where we're looking to see if the market starts to round back out and come back up into resistances of 78 to about 80. You can see where we kind of stalled. So we are looking for this support here to actually bring us back up. How far back up? Not too sure, but again, we are anticipating maybe a nice pullback here into 78.75 as our first area of resistance. If not that area, then we are looking to see this come back up maybe to 87.50. And then if not that, next level 93.75 if we don't stall there, right? These are the areas that we are looking to see if we can short and continue this downward trend that we have right now. Again, below 78.75, definitely going to be a opportunity for a continued short, but we got to see this come back here first and then push lower, and we need to make a new low. If we're not cracking these 55.25s, you could see this thing try to support this and push all the way back up. But for right now, for those who are looking for a trade opportunity, you can see a nice double bottom formulating right here for a pull to the upside or a push to the upside. So just keep that in mind. Now we are still bearish, so that's going to be a fade against the actual trend that we see right now. So if you don't feel like risking the fade trade, you got to wait till we get that pullback at least into one of these resistance areas. Now definitely back above 47.05 to about 09.75 could potentially continue this move to the upside, but that's a long ways to go, seeing that we dropped off a little bit into these 46.55. So we'll see what happens here on S&P as we draw into the London session. Moving over into a smaller chart for you guys, let's take a look at what this looks like. So zooming into this just for a bit, you can see some of the levels we put on here. You can see a nice bounce of support happening right here. You can see that wider double bottom here. You can see why we're trying to push. Now there is resistance here on the micro level movement here, which is right around these 69 to 70s. That's where we're going to find some of this resistance here. But if we just break right through, next level up, somewhere right around these 78, 75s. So look out for that. And then above that, 87.50, 93.75. Supports underneath going to be somewhere around 42 to 44.50 as the next levels down. So just keep that in mind as well for S&P 500. Let's move over into gold. Take a look at what gold has. So I do have a purple line here. I do want to see if we close above or below this purple line of 1787.1. Getting and closing below this area should actually maybe bring us down to the next support areas right here, 1782.6, and all the way down here next level, 1777.3. So we'll see if we can get this thing to close underneath and then bring us a little bit deeper. If not, this may pop up. Look for the retest coming right back to that area, and then a continuation. Resistance above 1792.7 as the resistance above as of right now. So just keep that in mind. Main levels of support 82.6, 77.3. So you could wait out for the market to come down here and look for the long opportunity, and even down here to see another long opportunity. Those are going to be your two areas that you find some decent support. Resistance, only area I'm looking to short is right here, 92.7 as the area to short. Or if we close below this 87.1, this could definitely also be a mid area that I look to try to bring it down into 82.6. So just keep that in mind for gold. Let's move over into crude oil, see what we got there. So for crude oil, you see wider movement, a couple areas. We got support here, right here between these 70.53 to about 67s. That's our support zone. Nice area for a bounce. Buyers should step in that area. You can see it bounce right up. I do have a purple level here, 71.09. I am anticipating the market movement here. I do want to see if we get up here and we close bearish, meaning we close the bearish bar. That's going to be a good opportunity for us to try to get it right back down into support. Maybe retest and get a nice double bottom here for a continuation higher. If not, I will be looking for a long continuation through 71.63. Well, to 71.63 through that nice zone of resistance up here. We're going to be looking right between these 71.90s to about 72.02. That's going to be a key area of resistance as well. So if we do get up into this area and we fail to break it, look out for this area to be a nice double top for a continuation move to try to short it down. That's going to be a decent area. Levels above that, 72.29 and 72.78 as the areas of resistance above. So we got those levels marked, but for those who are going to be long, trying to get it through 71.09, if you get it through, make sure you take some off here, 71.63. Try to run it into 71.90 to about 72.02 as the longer term levels that you're looking out for. But again, if you want this buyers stepping in, more of an exhaustive level, right here between 53 to about 67, that would be the ideal area for a nice long opportunity if we hold support there. So that's what we're going to be looking out for on crude oil as well. But that pretty much wraps it up for S&P 500, gold, and also oil. Again, if you guys do enjoy these videos, if you find them helpful, please go ahead and smash that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you guys are not subscribed. Any questions you guys got, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. Make sure you guys trade with discipline and patience. If you are struggling to find success and consistency in trading, feel free to join us as a member here at Pure Structure Trading. We can help you guys out with that. Other than that, you guys take care. Make sure you guys trade well. Have a great night. We'll see you guys later.